Explore a spectacular night adventure at the Rainforest Lumina, Singapore. Indulge in over 10 different rainforest zones where you can interact with various elements in the 1-kilometer trail. It is a wonderful experience for all ages to enjoy as you delight in the sights of a Singapore zoo at night. The ticket price ranges from 12 to 18 Singapore dollars, and you can enjoy an enchanting multimedia night walk on the wild side. Don't forget to book your flight at Airpaz to get the best deal.